this out. I don't know if you need this to bring it, send it back. Probably.
I don't see any damage out the bottom.
I don't see any. Looks okay. It says 3.
Hmm.
Little crevice there, but that's normal. Good cardboard. And you're supposed to read this first, so must read that. Another one. And your manuals.
Hmm.
One in Spanish, all sorts of languages. And one in, that's your warranty thing. And one in English. See what it doesn't have. Whoa, holy crap. Got your cable, 2 I think, USB 2. They give you a battery, and it can recharge with USB I think. Yeah, it's got a thing there. And there's these plastic things for holding in your cables from tearing off it. And you get a strap. Oh my god, I think it is it a normal strap or a Z3? According to Fernando, he said it was a normal one. I can move the box now. If there's nothing else there, I can put this box somewhere else.
No battery charger. Okay.
No, there's no battery charger. USB only. Get the focus on that. Ooh, look at that. I can swear this is somebody else had this. Okay, that's over here.
Ta-da.
Wow. Where's the 3 at? Oh, right there. A little bitty thing. God, I'll never be able to.
It says 3?
Right there, a little bitty one.
There's nothing on this Z2.
Oh, that's the upper.
Oh.
Now you can boast. FN2, FN1. There's 2 buttons there for something. Oh, it's got one of these things. Okay. I don't know how they're supposed to be brighter, but oh, let's get this open. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. I guess we're gonna keep this on there because it might be, well actually it goes way down. You could put one of those glass ones on there if you wanted.
Yeah.
And this one supposedly swivel. Look at that. Oh, you can take pictures of yourself and do blogs. Oh my god. If you like that sort of thing.
Okay, so what else does it do? It just does that?
Yeah, for that.
So it's like a Canon then. Okay, it's like
Yeah,
a Canon.
it's like a Canon.
Wait, turn, put it on the side, let's see. So, wait a minute.
It's got a cap, body cap.
Well, okay, spin it around. The thing will spin around the view screen. Okay, spin
will
this.
spin.
Okay, what can it?
Go way around.
Okay, that's what I need. All right. Okay, I'll just spin it and close it.
And it shuts flat and locks.
Ooh, protection.
So, it's not up in the air or anything, it's shut.
Wow.
Except if you're shooting straight through or over your head, you can't tilt it.
Okay, so well, it looks about the same.
Actually, it does. Actually, it looks thinner than the 2.
What is that for? Voltage, and then there's the lead. I gotta get this thing going here. That kind of like it, almost the same. Yeah.
Where's the record buttons here for video?
Well, it is pretty. Think that'll stay on? I gotta have to shoot with this like this.
Yeah, it's probably okay, but it's pretty deep. So you could put a glass one on there, it would work.
Well, it's reset.
As long as it's
I don't know.
right in there, it can't be hanging over or anything. That just fits right in.
Oh, yeah, I don't want a disaster. Okay, let me see here.
Look, it's got red on it. Actual piece of red cinema camera.
Oh, so does this. This one has red too. That was a preview of red. Nikon. Wait a minute. Now wait a minute, it says Nikon.
What, they misspell it?
Well, they misspelled Nikon. No, Nikon, but the Z, you have to go this way. Now that's kind of weird. You got to go around, but this one, what? What's that thing
Z6 III. They call it a Z6 or a Z6 III.
Z.
Or you can say it's a Nikon. It's actually an N, and then the 6 and the E is on the side. So it still is an N. It doesn't have to be a Z.
That kind of looks different, but
Oh, where's the thing at for this? That's a lighter display, and there's the light for it.
I don't know. I gotta turn all that stuff off.
You know, this camera looks smaller than the 2.
What is that?
I think it's the light to turn
Okay, so
on.
this is a 3.
It's bigger.
Well, it says 3 on it. That's how I can keep track. But this is a 2, and it,
Looks smaller.
the 2 is not much difference. They look the same. Good thing they got a label on it.
Except the eyepiece, it looks bigger. Maybe it's brighter.
Yeah, it feels brighter. Well, it does. It's thicker.
Yeah, I think it is supposed to be.
Well, the viewfinder on that, and this is the 2, which is not labeled.
How do you tell?
This is the original. This is the 2. And this is the 3. Yeah.
Doesn't say anything.
These all say Nikon Z. Doesn't say anything.
Talk about cheap.
I mean, come on.
That's why Fronto threw it across the room.
Ah, come on.
Get rid of that, man.
Didn't even have the fancy little stuff on it here.
That's cheap.
What a
gotta
cheap
make your-
strap.
They could put-
This is the new battery. Zowie. It doesn't come with a charger. Well, we'll have to take it outside and see what it can do. Yeah. It's got a Z3, all right.
Let's get that Z in service. Put this in. Let's start shooting.
Yeah. Take it outside, get some shots with this thing. See what it can do.